Guys, this is Eve Scrapbooking with me and Chalk Couture. Today we're going to do a sign for my laundry room. This is just a canvas. It is one of those open back canvases, and we're going to do this on canvas. Now on canvas I don't fuzz this a lot. I just lay it down because normally it doesn't stick that hard anyway. And then we're going to use 3 different types of paste. And let's see what the names of them are. This one is aquamarine. This one is coral, I do believe. Yes. And then this one I think is teal. Teal. So we're going to use 3 different paste on here. And I've just got my little spoon where I stirred it. And I'm just going to try to get that off of there to use. Like to waste any of it. And then I have some water over here to the side, and I'm just laying that down in the water. Now I had somebody tell me that they're having so much trouble because their paste is drying before they can get finished. The reason it's doing that is because you're, number one, you're going a little bit too slow, but the main thing is you're not putting a thick enough layer on. You've got to put a thick layer on when you have a larger canvas so that it doesn't dry. If you put a thin layer on and then wipe it off, then that's going to dry before you get through with your other pieces. So I've got a pretty thick layer right there, so I'm going to leave that. Let's see, I'm going to do that and that, that and that. And then I think I will do the laundry in this down at the bottom. So just make sure to put a really thick layer on when you're doing a larger canvas or you're doing multiple colors. Can't talk today. Then you can always go back and wipe that off. And this spreads really easy, just like butter. Now we're gonna put right up to that little and mark right there. We're gonna leave that. See, I'm leaving that pretty thick. And then I'm gonna go into my coral. And I'm gonna do this in coral. Now the coral, my coral is kind of thin. So I'm gonna make sure I put a pretty good layer on here. Now, some of the paste are a little bit thicker than others, and I know a lot of it just depends on how it's made, when it's made, that kind of thing. But just go back and put a nice layer on top so that it doesn't dry too quick. And then we're going to do laughter right here with this one. See, this one's a little bit thicker than my coral, so. And you can do the ombre effect with these if you want. You can mix them. If you mix them, you just can't put them back in your jars. You would have to have a special jar to put everything in that you mixed, your mixed color. But you can always go back and use that on something else if you want to. So we've got a good layer on that, and now all I'm going to do is go back with my coral in here to this love. Now I'm going to be real careful right here because that's where that crosses over. And try to get that pretty straight. Okay, then I'm going back and I'm pulling my excess coral off of there. And then I'll go up here and pull this excess off. You want to be able to see your lettering through there. That lets you know that you've got just enough on. Alright, so we got that. And wipe all that coral off right back in the jar, and then I'm going to dump that over in the water. And now we're going to pull this off, the excess off. Ooh, you see what I just did? We're going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to redo. I don't think it's going to mess anything up, so we're just going to leave it. And that's just me getting in a hurry. It's not that hard to do. Sometimes I just get in a hurry. Because I want to see it now. Okay, we got that off. And now all we need to do is take the excess off of this one and we will be done. We can pull that off and reveal. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull this up. Make sure my hands are not too messy. I'm going to pull that right there off with my finger. I'll get on my little board over here. Now I pull straight up, and I pull from the center so I don't mess anything up. There we go. And then you want to just lay that in your water face down. Alright, and you can see I got a little bit right here and a little bit right here. We're going to take care of that. If I didn't wait too long for it to dry. There we go, got that one. And wipe that one right off. Look at that. Is that not pretty? My husband's going to make a frame to go around it, and I think that is gorgeous. And where I dripped that, it didn't mess up at all. Now you see these little places in there that looks like they don't have any ink, which they don't. That is meant to be. This one is a distressed piece, so it's meant to look like that. It's meant to look old and distressed. But is that not beautiful? I love it. I absolutely love it. And these canvases are so easy. I get these from Arteza, and I will link those below as well. And I have a code that you can use to get 10% off of these. But I love these canvases, and this chalk goes on them so easy and so well. Okay, guys, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this. All I need to do now is just let this sit and dry for a little while, and it's ready to go on my frame and on my wall. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. All of my links will be below. If you want to join my team, go ahead and do so now. Our new spring and summer release just released yesterday, so there's lots and lots and lots of new product over there. Can't wait to get my collection so that I can show it to you. And, you know, if you want to earn a little bit extra money, this is a great way to earn a little extra money each month to spend on your addiction. It's what I do. But anyway, guys, we will talk to you later. If you just want to make a purchase, that link is down there below as well. Please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.